If you need something, call me. I don't know if you are close to here, maybe go help you, or I don't know, but if you go, maybe I don't know, but if you something wrong, call me. Maybe have a friend there, or I don't know, right? See you. Good luck.
Good luck to you and your life.
I'll see you in another life.
When we are both dogs. I'll be a white dog and you'll be a black dog.
Yeah, really. Follow me.
But what if I'm really slow?
You Wi-Fi?
No.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay. So we are going here to here.
No, we're going. You follow me. Then you change this. Then you change this.
Do I go to the toll roads or I'll come to this road?
No,
Right.
not Torval. Just to this.
Okay.
And then you go out. When you see Rosa Morada,
Mm-hmm.
you go out.
Okay, to here. It's correct, right? Okay,
When
got
you
it.
see Rosa Morada. Bye, mamá. ¿Puedes caminarla, eh?
Sí, llévala. Espero que la lleves, que tome su...
Oh, Dios, my God.
Que Dios la cuide, ¿eh? Te
Okay.
cuida mucho.
Okay,
La divina providencia te acompaña.
gracias.
Así
Mm.
es. Hermosa.
Mm. Izquierda or derecha?
Izquierda.
Izquierda? Okay. Adios. There? There. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so sad right now. Like, I cannot even believe how sad I am.
600 meters, turn right.
I'm gonna follow him to a special road that avoids the tolls. I really had a great time here with him and his mom. I'm really sad to go. Okay, we're turning right somewhere.
In 150 meters, turn left.
So much dust from his from his Jeep. Ooh. Oh crap. What does he mean? Slow down for what? Oh, okay. Oh, are we going that road again? Ah. Oh crap. This is fun. Oh, so many stones. Oh wow, what's happening here? Oh shit. I had to go over the pothole. I wish I was in the Jeep now with him. It's fun being on the bike, but of course it's way more comfortable being the Jeep with him. Whoa.
In 500 meters, turn left.
I hope my tires are okay. Okay. what's happening. Oh, okay. Oh, I guess those were the people that I'm supposed to pay money to, but I wasn't sure. It's like a special route to avoid the tolls. I honestly have no idea where I am. Left or right? No clue.
Go that side.
I go left?
That side.
Okay.
When you see Rosa Morada, go to Rosa Morada.
Okay.
For the Libre.
Okay.
Mucho polvo.
From you? Oh my god, I'm gonna miss you so much. Okay, you take care too.
Buen viaje.
You too, buen viaje.
Cuidado, be careful. Be careful. Right there.
Okay. Left. Okay. No! I'm stressed! Okay, I'm going. Bye! Oh my god, I'm gonna miss him so much. Oh my gosh. Oh. He's going back. Now it's about 1 hour and 42 minutes to San Blas. And I think I don't know if I have internet. Okay. This is the worst part about traveling. It's like you meet so many great people and then you have to leave them. Okay, let's pay the tolls. What's the difference? Paseta, Ruiz, Tapik, Mazatlan. What's the difference? Gracias. Oops, I didn't manage to avoid the tolls. But it's okay. I'll save 15 minutes. No problem. And we'll be on good roads. Hola.
¿Viene Caseta Ruiz?
¿Cómo?
Caseta Ruiz, ¿viene? De acá de la caseta.
¿Caseta?
Ticket de pago.
¿Ticket?
Okay. Okay. Vicente Ruiz, Okay.
Okay.
Okay, adelante.
Oh, 32? I'm confused. Oh, okay. Gracias. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm a little confused. It says 32, but then... I just had to give him the ticket. I'm so confused. Okay, time to go. Oh. Ooh, this place is scenic. 58 more minutes. Wow, it's pretty. close. I'm turning left. Wow, what's this place? It's so pretty. The iglesia looks like a pantheon. Wow, it's so pretty. Whoa. That guy's a bit funny. Oh wow, it's a doggy. I don't know what happens. Going through some strange roads. Okay, 29 kilometers. Fuck. Oh my god, doggy. Reaching in 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna meet Sharon, who's gonna be my next couch surfing host. Yeah. Oh wow, this is a pretty town. At least the road looks like cobblestone roads, but it's smooth. I like this.
In 300 meters, turn left.
This town has a very, I don't know how to say, coconut feel. Okay, beach town, beach side feeling. Oh fuck. Don't go, please.
Your destination is on the right.
I think it's this one. Or the other one. Okay. Let's talk to her. Is that a real dog or a fake dog? Oh my god, it's a real dog. Hi! Can I park inside? Okay. Oh, dog. ¿Dónde? Okay. Hola. Hola. Oh, bien. Sí. I will dress and put it here. Okay.
We don't have cars, so it's fine.
Oh, all right. Oh, he's happy. Oh.
Ya.
Okay.
Una volada. Se emociona con la visita.
Oh, nice to meet you too. Sorry.